In this video, we listed the 5 best luxury watches for men on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. PAGANI DESIGN PD1707 watches. The product is a stylish and functional quartz wristwatch, model PD1707 PAGANI design, designed for fashion and casual wear. Originating from mainland China under the brand name Ruodland, it features a durable stainless steel case and band with a bandwidth of 20 to 24 mm and a length of 25.8 cm. The watch has a round case shape with a thickness of 11.2 mm and a dial diameter of 40 to 44 mm, protected by a sapphire crystal dial window. It offers various features, including a stopwatch, backlight, shock resistance, water resistance up to 20 bar, anti-magnetic properties, and luminous hands for visibility in low light. The watch is powered by a VK63 quartz movement and includes a bracelet clasp for secure wear. It comes in paper packaging, is CE certified, and is free from high concern chemicals. This numberless watch combines functionality with a sleek design, making it an excellent choice for everyday use. Number 2. ADDIESDIVE AD2059 watch. The ADDIESDIVE AD2059 is a robust and stylish mechanical wristwatch designed for sports enthusiasts, particularly suitable for activities like diving and racket sports. It features a high-quality Japanese NH35A automatic mechanical movement with 24 jewels, a 41-hour power reserve, bi-directional self-winding, and stop seconds functionality. The watch is crafted with durable 316L stainless steel for both the case and strap, offering a brushed and polished finish. Its round case measures 39 mm in diameter, 48 mm in length, and 13.5 mm in thickness, with a screw-down crown and caseback ensuring water resistance up to 10 bar, 100 meters. The dial is protected by a sapphire crystal with an internally coated Swiss anti-reflective film, while the strap is made of solid stainless steel with a bracelet clasp. Available in desert white, blue, and yellow dial options, the watch does not feature luminescence on its hands or dial but boasts a sleek design with silver-finished hour, minute, and second hands. Weighing 145.5 g, it fits wrist sizes ranging from 140 mm to 210 mm, packaged in a professional waterproof plastic box. The AD2059 combines functionality, durability, and style for everyday use and outdoor adventures. Number 3. AGELOCER Original Watch. The AGELOCER Budapest 4202A9 is a luxury mechanical wristwatch designed for men, featuring a sleek and sophisticated design. It boasts a round 316L stainless steel case with a thickness of 10 mm and a diameter of 40 mm, paired with either a 316L stainless steel solid link band or a 100% leather strap. The watch is equipped with a blue sun stripe dial protected by a synthetic sapphire crystal window, offering durability and scratch resistance. Powered by the CAL, a 4610 automatic self-winding mechanical movement with 27 jewels, it operates at a frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour and provides an impressive 80-hour power reserve. Additional features include a transparent case back, shock resistance, and water resistance up to 5 bar. The watch is secured with a push-button hidden clasp and comes with a 2-year warranty, making it a reliable and stylish timepiece for the modern man. Number 4. San Martin SN0116 watch. The San Martin SN0116 GV4 V6 is a luxury mechanical wristwatch designed for sports enthusiasts, particularly swimmers, with a robust build and premium features. It boasts a 316L stainless steel case with a diameter of 39.5 mm, a thickness of 12.2 mm, and a lug-to-lug measurement of 46.5 mm. The watch is powered by the Japan NH34 automatic mechanical movement and features a sapphire crystal glass with AR coating for durability and clarity. It offers water resistance up to 10 bar, 100 meters, and includes a screw-down crown and caseback with a brushed finish for added protection. The dial is available in matte black or matte dark blue, paired with either a black and brown or red and blue bidirectional aluminum bezel with 24 clicks. Luminous BGW X1 blue light or C3 retro green light ensures visibility in low light conditions. The bracelet is a solid stainless steel, beads of rice style with an adjustable clasp, or an optional vintage leather strap. Additional features include GMT functionality with for hands, applied indices, and a complete calendar. Weighing approximately 134 g, it comes with a 2-year warranty and is designed for both style and functionality, combining vintage aesthetics with modern craftsmanship. Number 5. San Martin SN0136 Watch. The San Martin SN0136 GMT is a high-quality mechanical wristwatch designed for diving and sports enthusiasts, featuring a robust 316L stainless steel case and a 39mm diameter with a thickness of 13.5mm, powered by the reliable Japan NH34 automatic mechanical movement. The watch includes a unidirectional rotating ceramic bezel with 120 clicks, a sapphire crystal with AR coating, and a sunray enamel dial available in green, blue, or black. It offers luminous hands and markers with BGW, X1 blue light and C3 green light for visibility in low light conditions. The watch is water-resistant up to 20 bar, 200 meters, and equipped with a screw-down crown and caseback for added durability. It comes with a versatile 316L solid stainless steel H-links bracelet featuring a fly-adjustable clasp, as well as an optional high-quality nylon strap. Additional features include a complete calendar, multiple time zones, a date window at 3 o'clock, and a 2-year warranty. Designed for both functionality and style, the SN0136G is a reliable and elegant timepiece for everyday wear or underwater adventures.